Whenever I'm traveling and I want to protect my electronics and cameras, I like to have one of these hard plastic cases, very durable. And then on the inside, you've got this really strong closed cell foam. So unlike some of that cheap foam, you can see how squishy this is. Goes right back into shape with no deformations. Now this actually, you might not be able to see it, has a bit of a cube pattern kind of pre-cut in it. So I could come in here and pluck, they call it, out pieces that I might want to make a custom fit. There's 2 layers, so I can do that at different layers. There's a thin layer there, 2 layers thick that I can pluck, and then an egg crate layer up top. And that egg crate layer is form fit in there, but I could remove it if I needed to. Super strong. The clips on the outside are secure. We've got places I can lock it with different types of locks, and there's a depressurization. The handle itself can fold down, so it's not going to get jammed up, and it's made for strength. Hope this helps.